All right, Raiders, class of 2021, we are going to go through a few scholarship opportunities. First thing, you will go to my website, which you should be familiar with getting to there now. You go to financial aid. One part of financial aid is scholarships. There are three different ways to get financial aid: grants, scholarships, both of which are you don't have to pay back, and then loans, which you do. So at this point, you should already have everything filled out for your FAFSA to make sure that you what you're eligible for, and make sure that everything is good with the financial aid office. If you need help with that, here are those sections. They all go along with your yellow folder that you were given in the fall. If you still need help, don't hesitate to reach out. Here are the slides that were used during that meeting in the fall. Also with step-by-step of how to create your FSA ID, then steps with actually doing it, and then completing your FAFSA, so you have everything there. There's also the financial aid comparison worksheet. That's the sheet that has the spreadsheet that has everything for the sections, so you can compare colleges. Bottom part are scholarships. So I'd like to point out a couple of things first. You'll see the first three are all Caldwell. Caldwell scholarship offers for students going to Fort Scott Community College, a separate one for Labette Community College, and then another one for Neosho County Community College. So each one of these links sends you to the fillable PDF. In order to fill it out, at this point in time, you have two different choices. You can print this off and fill it out in ink, or you can download, then open it. Then I put each one of these in as a fillable PDF, so then you would be able to start typing at that point in time. You will also need to make sure that you read the scholarship requirements very carefully, and anything else that needs to be attached to each scholarship needs to be done so. So it doesn't matter if you type this in, if you fill it out on the PDF fillable form, or if you write it in neat ink, blue or black ink, doesn't matter. You still have to have all the attachments necessary. If you go back, same thing for Labette and Neosho County, so it just depends on if you're going to any of those places. Let me go down to the Dylan Meyer Get Busy Living. Again, you have two different choices. You can print this out at this point in time, complete it in blue or black ink, or download, and then it's a PDF fillable form to where you can type in there as well. So make sure, once again, that you have all of the attachments necessary and that you are paying close attention to the deadlines. From this, if you have more than three that you need to include, you could always write see attachment and attach a different form to that as well, an additional form. On the Vinylplex scholarship, again, you have two choices. You can print it out from here and fill it out in blue or black ink. Are you tired of me saying that yet? Or you can download it and do the PDF fillable. Again, make sure that you have all the additional attachments that you need to meet the scholarship requirements. This does say that selection committee prefers applicants that are children of somebody that may work there. That is not always the case. So I have had quite a few recipients that are not affiliated with Vinylplex at any point in time. Again, you can print this out at this point in time, fill it out with blue or black ink, or download, open, I think I already did that, and then do the PDF fillable form. On Frontenac Education Foundation, the Tassat Scholarship. This is the one that is the $1,500 renewable scholarship at this point in time. So it is $1,500 in total. A student can receive up to $6,000 over 4 years, as long as you meet these requirements. So again, you may print this out, fill it out in ink, or download. Right now I have an issue with this. This will be fixed by the time that you get there. This isn't writable, fillable at this point in time, but it will be by the time that you are able to open this up. I will get it fixed. So you have a couple of choices when it comes to your scholarships. You may go here, and everything else is still listed. I'm not taking anything off of there. I'm just going to continue to stack them on top of one another. You may print them, write in blue or black ink neatly, and return everything to me, and we can go through it together. I will give you any tips. I will go through and make sure that you have everything. Or you may download them, do the PDF fillable form, and then print it or email it to me. Regardless of what, whenever you're ready to submit, I'm going to go through and make sure that you have met all of the requirements and have everything. When you give it to me, I will make you sign. You will sign off that you have submitted that scholarship to me, and then I will send it to the proper place. If you are giving it to me on the day of the deadline, there may be a really good chance I don't have an opportunity to look through everything the way that it might need to be done. So if you are going to procrastinate, you may definitely, I won't be able to look through it if you hand a 4-page application into me on the day that it's due. If you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out, let me know, and I will be able to help you. Also, outside the door of my back office by the middle gym, there will be copies of everything. If you would rather just come and pick those up, you can do that as well. They'll also be emailed out. So if you have any questions or if you need any help, do not hesitate. Thank you.